We are going to be doing an unboxing of the SUREWO aluminum case frame CNC, that means the machine it was made on a CNC, skeleton housing with 52 millimeter UV filter compatible with GoPro, GoPro Hero new 7/6/2018 5 black. Now I've got the GoPro over here, and it obviously comes with the GoPro case. But I bought a SUREWO, what is it called, a handlebar ratchet thing from them months ago, and it was like the best thing ever, but I had to return it because the screw on there would not hold. The bracket was just amazing, the quality, and I think I bought it again. I'm not sure. I think I bought another one. So it's a good company. It's a really good company. It's very impressive what they make. So I'm looking at this and I'm going, oh my God, look at that. Look at this thing. I had no idea what I was getting, honestly. This is impressive. This is, wow. This is really impressive. So we've got, oh my goodness. So what does this come with? It comes with the bracket. It comes with some screws to mount this thing to the bottom. It comes with a screwdriver for the screws. If you're going to be putting this on a bicycle, I would definitely get some threader material so that it doesn't vibrate loose. This is probably a lanyard holder. It's got a really nice cover. I'm so impressed with this company. I really wish that the handlebar bracket that I bought, I could have kept it, but I might be able to buy another one now that I bought some different hardware. So we've got this 52 millimeter UV filter on here. There's the filter, and it comes off. I don't know why you would want to take it off. For something like this, I think this would be great for my bicycle, plus then I wouldn't have to worry about my lens getting damaged over here. So what else do we have? How does this work? Probably, does it have instructions? I don't know if it has instructions. How does it open? Maybe it opens this way? Maybe it doesn't open at all. I'm going to see if I can slide this in here. I don't know if I can slide it in here. I definitely cannot slide it in here. So now I've got to figure out how this thing opens up. It is supposed to slide, and it's got a ball dent. A ball dent, which is, there's your ball, and it will lock in place. So impressive. Unbelievable. It really is. So we've got the ball dent. We slide this up. Let's just slide all the way up. Take your GoPro. I've got the GoPro 7 black. Look at this. Unbelievable. Just absolutely unbelievable. Wow. Okay, now is that going to slide down just as easily as it came apart? Look at the quality of this. And the machining's just amazing. Is this going to slide back? Okay, hold on, hold on. First time doing this. Look at the machining on here. And obviously that's because of the CNC machine. But CNC machine, that just means computer-aided machine. Is this going to slide back in here? Still trying to figure it out. Lined up. Oh, that's what it is, because my ball, I've got to press my ball in. So I'm going to line that. I'm going to press downward a little bit. Look at this. Unbelievable. Absolutely incredible. And then you've got your filter over there. And this thing, this looks like a piece of military hardware. This is incredible. And this is supposed to be a lock screw. I don't know. Okay, so it's pressing against the... It's kind of pressing again. You don't want to torque it all the way down because you'd probably crack your GoPro case. And the nice thing here is that you've got access to, let me see, hold on. You've got access to your, I'm looking at the instructions over here. So you can put a lanyard on here. That's a good thing. You've got access to your power over here. You'd probably need to take the power door off before you put it in here. It looks like this will allow you to open this up, will it? Okay, so it will, so I take that back. Looks like you can open this thing up. And what else can you do? You've got, where is that? I saw it here a minute ago. You have a quarter 20 screw over there for your tripod. Let's open up the package. We have the screwdriver over here. And there's some other goodies inside this. Let's put the filter cover back on. Let's see what else we have here. So check out the description of the video. I will leave an Amazon affiliate link. You can buy that, the item, if you click on that. It will help me, it will help you. We got a few screws here. So what we have here, how many screws do we have? Oh, there's the other screw. So we have our 2 screws. So what we have here is, what do we have here? As I said, we have the quarter 20 thread over there. We also have 2 quarter 20 threads over here. And so you can position this either here or over here. And it is a hot shoe. And it comes with a screw. So you put the screw inside there, and you put it down in the hole, and you tighten it down, and you have a hot shoe. And, I mean, if this isn't enough, it's absolutely incredible. And here it is. It comes with a lanyard. If you don't like that, go out and buy one that's a little more heavy duty, but this will take care of what you need. And the final part is, and this is why I'm going to be able to use this for my bike, but you can use this for just about anything, is it comes with this really nicely machined bracket over here. And so you mount that, and you take your 2 screws over here and you put them in the holes, and you put them into these mounting holes over here. So you can use this bracket or you can mount this to the tripod, either one. And for something like this, the nice thing about a case like this is that if this falls, all the impact is going to go on the case. It's not going to hurt your camera at all. So what is this thing? This is like 20 some bucks. This is an insurance policy right here. There's no way that your camera is going to take a bump if this thing falls. It's all going to hit the metal, the aluminum. Very impressive, very impressive. So what I plan to do is I'm going to mount this thing over here. I'm going to buy some, I have some lock threader that I bought, and I'll put the screws in there, and then hopefully this will be tall enough that I can mount this on my handlebars. And yeah, I won't have the ratchet like their bracket. They have a ratchet bracket. I won't have that, but I'm going to be able to mount this so that I can record, which I do now, but I can record safely on the handlebars, directly on the handlebars, instead of using the chest strap that GoPro sells. So there it is, people. The SUREWO, S-U-R-E-W-O aluminum case frame made by the CNC milling machine. GoPro Hero 7 6.5 2018. It's probably going to fit the 8 that comes out, but I'm not sure. And make sure you do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, and all that other cool stuff. This is a very, very impressive product. You know, it really is. These people are not messing around. Take that, slide out your ball end. How hard is it to take out? That's also something to think about, because it's usually hard to take it out of the standard GoPro case. It's always a hassle to take it out of the GoPro case. So how hard is this? Not any harder than taking it out of the GoPro case. So there it is. I love it. If you can't tell, I'm smiling. I'm happy. This is a real good buy. This is totally a good buy. And not a good buy, but a good buy. Good buy. So I'm going to be able to mount this thing, get this on my bicycle, and shoot more video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the description, click the link, and when you're all finished, put it in the bag. They could send you a little sack, a nice little sack to protect everything.